I climbed the ladder, hit every mark, corner office, 6 figures, gold stars, and every morning it screamed at me, "This is it? Maybe you know that feeling." Mine was a simple question. Why not be real? Why play a role in someone else's story? That one question dissolved the script, stopped the performance, turned what ifs into let's try this. So I fired myself. Not because I had a plan, because I had a question. And along the way, I listened to the clues my soul's been leaving. The 3 a.m. flood of questions. That daydream I couldn't shake. The thing I kept almost saying, that's not distraction. That's direction. No ladder required, no gold stars, no brave enough, no guru, no manual. Just curious enough. At your own pace. What does your version of alive actually look like?